Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to create a playlist on Spotify easily, so let's jump right into it. First open Spotify and then from the bottom tap on your library. Once you go to your library, tap on the plus button on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on playlist. Now before creating a playlist you have to give it a name, then after naming it tap on create. And just like that you have created a playlist. Now to add songs to that playlist, you can start from here by tapping the button that says add to this playlist. When you tap on it, you can whether choose to add songs from the suggested link over here. All you need to do is to tap the plus button next to each song and it will be added right away. Or you can tap on the search bar on the top of the screen and then search for the song you want to add. And once you find the song you're looking for, just tap on the plus button right next to it. It will be added right away to the playlist. Now if you want to add songs you have already liked, all you need to do is to go back to your library and then go to liked songs. From here just tap on the three buttons next to the song you want to add and then tap on add to playlist. And then choose the playlist you want to add it to. And just like that you have created and added songs to your playlist on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future solutions to all of your tech problems. Thanks for watching.